Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to edit view only and comment only Google Sheets documents on your iPhone. So the first thing you have to do now is just go open the documents that have an access to view only or comment only, and here I already have one. So this, you can see that this document is in a view only access, so I only can view this document without able to do editing. You see there is no editing tools here, so I can do nothing for this video. So to edit this video, it's quite simple. You need to ask the permission to the owner by click these three small dots, and after that you just need to go click request the edit access, and the system will be sent into the owner of these documents to give you the permission editing the documents. But then if you need this document that fast, you can just do this instead. Go into these three small dots, and after that go click this share and export, and now you just need to go click this make a copy, and the system will copy all of these documents. But then these documents will be for your access to edit. So whenever you want to edit, just go click the specific cells, and you can see that here the edit button is already active, and you can start editing this documents. So that's the way how to edit a view only or comment only Google Sheets document on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.